Hello, Professor. This is my demonstration of homework 3, problem 12, creating a clock out of turtles. My code is right over here. I just imported everything, set the background color to light green, and then since it's a clock, I figured I would just name each of the different turtles after their respective positions on the clock. And then, so I just set their shape to turtle, their color to blue, pick up, left turn 90, forward 100, pen down, forward 10 to make that little tick mark, pen up, and then forward another 10 to give them that final little bit of space there. And so I just essentially recreated the same sequence, and then I just changed the degrees to the appropriate amount and the turn direction to the appropriate direction each time. And so 9, 10, 11. And then there's this odd little guy here in the middle, and so I just created another one, but I didn't have him do anything. So, and there you have it. Thank you.